Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today we're going to talk about how easy it is to make a delicious, quick meal with a little help from Heinen's fish department. Today, I'm going to be working with some really nice halibut. It's one of the most beautiful fish ever. And to get started, I'm just going to give it a little bit of salt and pepper. This is a very, very basic recipe. A little salt, and I like to use kosher, a little freshly ground pepper, which is always the best, a little oil in a hot pan, and then add the fish. This is a very, very simple saute. We're going to start skin side down. And there's a general rule of thumb when you're cooking fish, about 7 minutes per inch. And it's done. So this is a little thicker than an inch, so it's going to take a little longer than 7 minutes. So I'm going to say it's going to take this fish about 5 minutes per side, and then it should be really beautifully done. So we only turn it once. We're going to let it cook for 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn it. So they've cooked for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to give them a flip. Oh yeah, and that's what you want them to look like, nice and brown. They aren't, if they don't flip, it's okay. Give them another minute and allow them to crust so that they will unstick. But most food will do that for you, whether it's fish or chicken or even a steak. Just give it another minute and don't force it. And then they'll flip over really nice and easy. So another 5 minutes, and then these guys are going to be ready to plate. So these have cooked for just about 10 minutes, and they're done. And how you can tell is when they flake, and this halibut is so tender that it actually kind of pulls apart a little bit, and you can see whether it's opaque or not in the center. That's how you know fish is done. So I'm just going to go ahead and plate it right on to a plate from the pan, because I have all my stuff here for it. I'm going to turn the fire off. Get one nice piece of halibut. Put it on the plate. And then we get some tapenade. It's salty, and briny. It's just delicious. And then we garnish with a couple of lemon slices and a couple of olives. A little bit of parsley. And it's dinner. That is the quickest dinner I know, and I just love sharing how easy and fast and delicious it is to cook fish. So thanks for watching.